Did you hear fireworks, Zeus? I think you did. I heard that, Zeus, and everyone on camera hopefully did. So what I've done is I brought Zeus's treat bag upstairs, and I'm gonna let him in. So he doesn't know this is upstairs, but I'm gonna let him in and see what happens. Good boy. Wait. 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 Release, come on. Good boy. Zeus, leave it. Good boy. Zeus, focus. Yes, good boy. Focus. Focus. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Focus. Zeus, focus. Yes, good boy. Zeus, focus. 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 Yes, good boy. Good boy. Leave it. Leave it. Good boy. Focus. Focus. Yes, good boy. Leave it. Make a distracting noise, Lisa. Leave it. Zeus, focus. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Ah!